Welcome to Crystal Cove, a custom home by Saga Construction, destined to be the highlight of the Outer Banks community of Carlyle on the Sound. Carlyle, where tree-lined lanes, breathtaking vistas, and nature's rich beauty and bounty invite you to live your dream. Combining distinctive design, careful craftsmanship, lofty elegance, and exquisite detail, Crystal Cove will both enchant and inspire. From Brazilian cherry floor to 25-foot-high ceiling, you'll fall in love with the charming warmth and casual elegance in a property that's truly value-packed. This custom home features approximately 3,600 square feet of living area, distinguished by architectural features perfectly blended into the flowing design of each and every interior space. The bedrooms are generously sized and creatively laid out. The large downstairs master suite offers a luxurious master bath, built-in bookshelves, gas fireplace, and doorway to your private deck. And oh yes, a spacious walk-in closet and lighted tray ceiling. 2 additional master suites, loft, media room, and guest suite complete the top floor. On the first level, in addition to the main master, a study, great room, dining room, and kitchen that's irresistibly inviting. This gourmet kitchen features granite countertops, stainless steel appliances, a 5-burner gas range, custom cabinetry, and carefully crafted tile on the floor and the backsplash. In fact, everywhere you look, you'll find those extra touches that surely put this amazing home in a class of its own. With double garage doors, 30-year architectural shingles, vinyl soffits, even irrigated landscaping, Crystal Cove invites you to experience the very best of carefree living in Carlyle on the Sound.